Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance, welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another one of our essential oil breakdowns. Today we're going to be going over Eucalyptus Radiata. This is going to be the second variation of eucalyptus we've been covering. As far as I can recall, this is the less common of the two, at least in terms of the people I speak with and the aromatherapists in my area. I feel like we have a preference towards citronella for some reason. In any case, neither here nor there, both are fantastic, although it does kind of depend what you're using them for, I suppose. In any case, before we dive into its profile, I just want to quickly say, always consult your doctor before use. Even though these oils are relatively safe, in Eucalyptus radiata's case at least, there is evidence to suggest that if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, there may be some possible implications, so always check with your doctor. In any case, let's move on to its profile. Its scent is most commonly described as fresh, clean, and slightly woody. Under uses, you will see respiratory tract infection, bronchitis, catarrh, sinuses, rhinitis, colds, influenza, fever, asthma, rheumatism, muscular aches and pains, neuralgia, abdominal cramps, menstrual cramps, headaches, mental exhaustion, fatigue, insect stings and bites, and general stimulant and tonic. My goodness, I know I butchered at least two of those, so I do, of course, apologize for that, but quite the long list. It makes me wonder, maybe this is more common than I recall. I don't know. I'm sure there's some kind of a stat-keeping website. But in any case, under method of extraction, you'll see steam distilled, and it blends well with cedarwood, coriander, frankincense, lavender, pine, ravintsara, rosemary, and tea tree. Apply under notes, you'll see apply with a carrier oil and not recommended for use while pregnant or breastfeeding, as I kind of mentioned earlier. Overall, though, this is a relatively safe oil for virtually everyone who's not in an at-risk group. That being said, always make sure you're following proper dilution and all that good stuff. Now let's dive into its history. Although there are several types of different eucalyptus oils available on the market, Eucalyptus Radiata Essential Oil is often one of the most popular choices for aromatherapists. So, I might concede. However, in my groups, for whatever reason, whenever I think about eucalyptus, I always default to citronella. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because that's the one I use most frequently, but I don't know. I'll have to do a poll or something once I gain access to them. But in any case, Eucalyptus Radiata Essential Oil has a wide range of useful therapeutic properties, very similar to those of E. gabaculus. It has powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral action, which makes it extremely useful for all types of infection. Very cool stuff. I really do love it, and all of those things are, of course, quite important. Now let's take a quick look at a recipe. This one is cooling massage oil. It's actually quite lengthy in terms of its ingredients, but just thinking about it logically, it would make sense for it to be quite a bit effective. Now, in terms of the recipe, it is 10 drops peppermint essential oil, 7 drops chamomile roman essential oil, 5 drops rosemary essential oil, 4 drops eucalyptus radiata essential oil, and 4 drops lavender grease essential oil, and 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. Very cool stuff, really just mix it together, shake it. That's really about it in terms of instructions. It is a little bit lengthy, but I feel like, once again, logically it makes sense for this to be quite effective. In any case, let me know what you think of Eucalyptus Radiata down beneath in the comment section. Be sure to mention any thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, or recipes you may have. And if you're curious about adding this oil to your collection, please do check out Rocky Mountain Essential Oils, link down beneath in the description. That being said, I hope you all have a great day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.